Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to tag people on your picture that you have uploaded to your Instagram site on the instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. But let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Select the post that you have uploaded or haven't uploaded yet, and tap on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of this box. Tap on edit, which is the second option, and here, as you can see, there is this click photo to tag people section. So select the point on your picture to which you would like to tag people, and then you should type in their username, and after that you should just simply tap on it, and then you can move it to the relevant point of the picture where you would like to place it. And if you are done, you can add as many tags as you want to, and tap on the done button in the upper right corner of the screen to save your changes. So here, if you tap on this button below your picture in the left side, you are going to see the tagged person. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.